Here's a 2016 Audi Allroad. No matter what lies ahead, this Allroad lives up to its name. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: external memory control, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, power sliding and tilting sunroof, automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, AM/FM satellite radio, leather bucket seats, four-wheel drive, and turbo inline four-cylinder engine. Car and Driver explains the cabin is as well turned out as you'd expect, a veritable festival of high-buck materials screwed together with the precision of, well, an Audi. Audi forges sophistication and performance into each iconic vehicle. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
That new Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche, or Mazda is waiting for you at Morong, Falmouth. We're conveniently located at 187 US Route 1 in Falmouth, Maine.